Okay, so with the Canadians up one bout, the fate of the Jamaican team rests on this warrior's back. And we're about to meet him. He has been one of our most loved local boxers for a while. And we know he's going to bring that warrior spirit because I always bring it. Here is Ramel, the assassin, Lewis.
Well, people don't know Ramel Lewis, a.k.a. Sub-Zero, back in the contender this year, in it to win it this year. No joke about it. I'm just going to work hard in the gym and stay focused just to win this year. Last year in Contender, I dropped out at quarterfinal. What happened, I did not have as much preparation, so this year I definitely have to come back and do something better. When I think about the Jamaican team, it's a very good team going up against the next team because we have some good boxers. We have Richard Hobbs, we have Tessie Davis, we have some good boxers going up. So we have to do our best and stay focused and just win the championship. So my team right now, my team is strong, so we just work with two coaches right now. We have a fitness coach down there, Savama, and we have a boxing coach. So then we are working right now and just get fitter. Every day we change.
All them attack, all them attack. You see all them attack, all them attack, all them attack. Up to the wall.
We have to give respect to all who they be on our team. And so just big up Savama, all the people now. Give support to Sub-Zero, just respect and look out.
Them no bad like me, them no bad like me, them no bad like me, them no bad like me. If them no know what me mean, tell them try for run in, to defense them try to come in.